Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Once again, welcome to my channel. So friends, my today's video is extremely eye-catchy and I am making this video on your massive request, that is you have been commenting on my videos that please do share simple and easy hand embroidery designs, beautiful hand embroidery patterns, essentials for hand embroidery beginners, and very pretty bot neck hand embroidery ideas, necklace style, pendant style, jewelry style hand embroidery ideas. Then the answer to all of your requests is in this video, friends, guys. But I have simple request that don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas. Friends, simple basic embroidery patterns like lazy daisy stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, French knot have been used to make these patterns. You can use the pearls, beads to make these beautiful necklines more prettiest and elegance and enchanting. So the embroidery thread that you can use for these patterns is wool, anchor, DMC, or any type of thick or thin embroidery thread you want. And the beads you could use for this is cut work beads, water thread beads, and pearls as well. Crystal beads could also be used. Different color combination of very pretty ideas of flowers like wheel stitch, like naughty stitch, like twisted knots, and many more creative embroidery patterns for giving a 3D look of hand embroidery flowers have been used. So do try these patterns, share your experiences with us, do leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you in my latest upcoming videos. Not only this, you can have a wide variety and wide range of very beautiful, pretty, stylish and eye-catchy ideas related to women fashion in the form of hand art, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, digital computer embroidery, fabric painting ideas, silk ribbon embroidery, crochet work, and girls fashion designing ideas, girls fashionable accessories, baby girl dress designing, home decor ideas, cushion covers, pillow covers, bedsheet designing, and many more creativities related to women fashion world. So stay tuned for our latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourself, stay blessed, keep showering your love, keep supporting us, keep watching our videos as you always have been, and we promise to continuously share amazing, stylish and beautiful content with you so that you could remain intact, updated, and enchanted about the new content that is related to women fashion, hand art, and hand embroidery specifically.